Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ano naman sasabihin ko? Hi guys! Welcome back! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will share to you my free photo book! Yes! I got this for free guys. I got this for free! So, sabay-sabay natin siyang buksan guys para ma-share ko din sa inyo kung paano ko ba siya nakuha for free. Please keep on watching! Got this for free! Got this for free! Ayan na guys, bubuksan na natin siya sa wakas. Aww. Actually, ito, isi-surprise ko si Martina. Bibigay ko sa kanya to kasi sobrang natutuwa siya kapag nakikita niya yung sarili niya ng baby siya. So, in-start ko siya nung nasa tiyan ko pa lang siya, guys. Tingnan niyo. Aww, ang cute. Buksan natin. Oh my God. Na-excite ako. Ito pa lang, oh. Tuwang-tuwa na siya dito kasi sabihin niya na, this is me, this is me. Samahan niyo ako buksan, ha? Ito siya, guys. Open natin siya. Ito yung journey niya nung 12 months. 1 day old. 1 month. 2 months. Ganda niya. Siguro lalagyan ko na lang siya ng mga notes ko sa kanya, mga dear Martina, this is you, this is me. You are my everything. You are my everything.
You are my everything.
Ang ganda niya, guys. Yung journey niya nung baby siya. Yung iba, kasi 12 months lang yung mga pinili ko ng mga baby siya. Di ba yung mga malaki na siya? Yung shampoo. Ang fault side ko lang siguro. Hindi ko kasi na-adjust yung brightness niya ng pictures. Na-adjust siya. Kaya medyo malabo. Pero all in all, okay siya. Ganda niya talaga, guys. Yung size na ito, 6x6. Sinilip ko yung app ngayon. Meron silang promo ulit. Fun book for your babies. Yung mga babies kayo, mga mamshi. Meron silang naka-indicate na code. Kupain nyo lang. I-download nyo lang yung app. Tapos, nandun mag-reflect dun yung kung anong code yung gagamitin nyo. Marami din silang promos, mga discounts. Original price na ito, guys, is 550 pesos. Pero dahil ginamit ko yung code, wala akong binayaran. Ang sinolder ko lang yung shipping fee na, which is 150 pesos. Ganyan, guys. Ganyan siya. Pag-remembrance sa mga chikiting nyo or remembrance sa mga travel goals nyo. Ito, hanggang na siya. Hindi ko kasi gusto nyo bang pahapyaw lang para makita nyo. Ito, 21 page to. So, 21 page to is yung ilalagay nyo. Ay, panghihintay nyo, guys. Download na! Hi guys, so today ko isa-surprise si Martina sa aking photo book sa kanya. Nakakatawa kasi Ito pa rin nasulat ko sa likod. You are my everything. Saktong-sakto yung video na ginawa ko kagabi. Ito kasi yung lagi kong sinasabi sa akin ever since baby pa siya. Lagi kong sinasabi ko baby. So, saan? Iniisip ko kung ano ba yung papagawa ko sa kanya. Isip ko magpapamit ako. Kasi syempre natulungan mo na makikili ka doon. Sana magustuhan niya. Sana matuwa siya. Pero ang iniisip ko kasi bibigay ko sa mga Pilipinas. Magustuhan niya isa. Kasi pagkain. Ito ang ko na siya guys. Good na ako sa akin. Good na ako sa akin. Good na ako sa akin. Good na ako sa akin.
Hello guys! Welcome to Mommy's Makeup Show!
Okay, come on. Let's video to Mommy.
First is the eyeshadow.
Kilay na lang. Tsaka blush on. Brush na lang. Brush. Wala na yan. Kaya brush mo na lang. Brows.
Coming. Is it coming?
Gusto niya naputol kanina. Come, bilis. Dali na, oh. Waiting sila. Look.
Oy, wait lang, okay?
Wait lang, okay? Okay.
I want to make up my mommy.
Show natin sa kanya. Hindi na nakikita. Ang sakit.
Where's the tucket?
Next one.
Is the blush.
Show them.
Use the brush. Use the brush. Let's turn it to mommy. But she...
Ganyan ka na lang ano ba? Kasi ko.
Look.
Nag-wash ka ba ng hands mo? Ma'am? Hindi lang. I'll teach you.
Okay.
Say ka sa kanila, hi guys!
Hi guys.
Show your face.
Say your face.
You sing.
Let it go. Let it go. And everything we tried. Like a step. Like a step. A step. It's on.
Galing! Yay! Ayan, ganyan pala dapat dito. Sige, titingin ako dito sa kanila. Hi guys!
It's in the yeah!
You miss me? I miss you.
Finish. Please.
Finish na.
Does on the makeup, the chick on the does.
Come on, come on, come on. Hey baby, hey baby. Pina, come on, come on.
Oh, it's full.
Ba't nahuli yan?
Blush and then
Ba't mo inalis yung blush? You're
so
so cute.
because it's so beautiful.
What? You tell them.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Blush and
Kami ka naman mag-makeup baby. We tell them what we're doing.
and makeup mommy.
Baby, I have a surprise for you.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Paano? Paano yung wow na excited?
Wow.
Paano yung wow na happy?
Wow.
Paano yung wow na sad? Paano yung wow na shock?
I don't know that.
Paano yung wow na scared? Paano yung wow na angry? Are you excited? Can you close your eyes? Dito ka. Close your eyes. Dito ka. You move here. Hindi ka nila nakikita because you're small. You're still a baby.
Yeah, I'm not a baby.
You're a baby. Close your eyes, baby. The first one is close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What is that?
You really a bunny.
You show them. You open that. Go. Oh, open. Really, go, open. Sino yan?
Me. There's only numbers in room. Oh, I'm a big girl out than the playground.
Nakakatawa yung reaction mo, pe. Happy ka ba? Bakit ka naiiyak? You're crying. You're
I'm
crying.
not seeing.
What?
I lost my book on my babies.
Baby, you show them, dali. You share with them. This is Martina.
And my mommy found.
Happy ka? You happy?
Yeah.
You show them one by one. Come on. Come on.
One by one.
Okay. Okay, this is Martina and Mommy. This is... Who's this?
Me.
Ikaw ba to?
Yeah.
This is my baby. Show your face. Look, tingnan natin. Ikaw, talo ko. You're so small and now you're so big. They won't see your face. Another one. Another picture. Oh, you're so quiet here. Oh.
So, they jumpy, jump, jump.
What is your favorite feature?
Yes.
Why?
It's so cute. Yep. Hey. Wala nang pasalubong.
Meron pa. Ito. What's that?
Tako.
Anong gusto mong pasalubong? Ito yan.
Yan, only konti.
Konti lang to. Hindi, this is nice. Diba? Kasi you want your baby face.
I'll be just really okay. I'm so happy, 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 I'm so happy.
You're so happy. Why? Why are you happy? Why you are so happy?
I say because I love your pictures.
You love your pictures.
I need to Papa, and like you. You're super pretty. That is my mom. Once I goat, and I have to grow.
Kita ko po.
In the end,
The end na. Ano yung end na? You're a big girl. Kami.
here's the end of
The end. I will write a note for you there. Thanks.
okay, my chocolate.
Okay.
I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy.
So guys, sana natuwa kayo sa sinare ko sa video na to. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa akin, sana natuwa kayo at nagustuhan niyo yung na-share ko sa inyo. Please, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa akin, please click down and the bell thing. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for what? Sabay tayo, sabay.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching.